Winning is an incredible feeling. That first time winning the Indy 500 we'll never forget. The pit crews in IndyCar racing today and sports car racing are the absolute lifeblood. It's the arteries to the heart. And finding the correct group, cohesive, working together. We're on the road many weeks, 30 weeks a year together. Usually it can be very difficult. So they got to work on the car, then they got to go do a physical feat on the car in the race. And every little thing in IndyCar racing today over the wall matters.
The relationship with MSR and McKee really began, I'm going to say 3.5 years ago, when the project here that we're in today at MSR headquarters was a thought, right? And so McKee, as one of our great dealer partners, brought this opportunity to us, and so we started, thinking about how we can put this package, if you will, together and get a win for everyone here. The people behind the scenes at Clopay are everything. A lot of times the sales team who ends up being the face of the customer, is that frontline person. But in the end, it's the people, again, in manufacturing, logistics, our customer service people. So everyone behind the scenes, whether it's in procurement, human resources, our entire team, we're all part of that, that gear, right? So with a missing tooth in the gear, we're going to skip a beat. Fortunately, we've got a full set of gears, if you will, and we're off to the races.
McKee was founded in 1978 by Mark and Jan Gerard. It was a very small business. It started in the basement. McKee's customer service philosophy is built around what we call the MK factor at McKee. Really, it's our DNA. It's what we call the 4 C's: caring, creative, clear, and consistent. I connected Shank Racing with Clopay Garage Doors. It really started with McKee having a local relationship with Shank Racing, and I was able to make the introduction. It's been really rewarding to see kind of everyone come together to have a really meaningful partnership.
MSR wanted a product that kind of performed like their race car, where they wanted, a very technical, very kind of precise, product. So once we kind of got through the design process, once we got to the installation process, MSR was extremely happy with the way the products performed. And also we were able, through Clopay's offerings, kind of provide some value engineering with using some insulated products to kind of help enclose the building envelope.
One of the wonderful things within Clopay is kind of you dream it, we build it. If you have a vision, we can help you realize it. So being able to take Mike's vision of what he wanted his facility to look like and translate it to our commercial doors, our rolling product, our residential product, tie our entire product line together to fit that vision for the Shank team has been outstanding. It's wonderful to be a one-stop shop, to do everything and to help them realize their vision.
Once I learned more about the Clopay brand, I understood what they meant for quality and also being able to deliver exactly what we wanted. Because I had a very specific vision, not only construction, but color and material and how it looked and that kind of thing. That was the first thing I understood. The second thing is I got to do a tour of how you make a garage door. So I really got to see the nuts and bolts and the people behind what these doors do. Of course, mechanically, to do the job, they are beyond reproach. The doors have been perfect, and we're proud of them, and they look great. And that's what I wanted when I started this whole process.
We all want to win in life, and working with Clopay and Don and all the associates at Clopay have been massively rewarding, just because they want people like myself to be successful.
The Shank Racing team work as a team, they work as a family.
Not only their design, but the engineering that Clopay brings to the table, it makes a perfect partnership for Clopay and McKee.
Our regional managers, our AMDs, our sales staff is helping dealers win every day. And that ties directly into living our mission statement, which is promoting customer success by providing superior experiences, products, and solutions.
The basis of McKee, Clopay, and MSR are the people. Similar like-mindedness maybe is the best word on how to treat people, how to work, how to collaborate together on different projects to help everybody, so the tide raises everybody. And I think that is tough to find when we're building partnership relationships like that. But literally it started as friends, worked to these levels as we go kind of forward in time, And now we're just nothing but proud to be a part of the Clopay family.